Keep a hold on it. Since we're downhill, as once it pops off, it might roll.
Oh. Coronavirus is real, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, I just this one over here.
Oh, you didn't have it? I thought you
No.
Dude, I got caught, bro. I can't wait on you.
I don't know what to tell you. There's traffic that's gonna come through here. You need to move.
You gonna pick up or you gonna push?
I'll pick up. Ready?
Yep. Gonna get both tires in the brakes. Nice, man. Am I supposed to do that? There's no way. Get that one.
This one, yeah, is shorter. This one was over there. It would work out. Maybe. Oh, you mean this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think.
No, that don't work.
It's not gonna spin.
Well. I just leave it just like that.
Like that? Alright. Yeah.
Glad to know you had a good hold and all to jump up. Keep a hold on it. Since we're downhill, as once it pops off, it might roll. Here, yeah, you gonna hop up there and give it the truck a bounce?
Oh. You know what? I believe you. He scared old boy. He saw that. He's gone.
Hell no.
He's gone.
See if we can get it off the road this thing here.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Testing, testing, testing. Oh, hello, hello.
Here, how many help? Hold it. So. Got my impact in the toolbox, grab it.
You cold, huh?
No.
We're straight in the shade and you're not cold? As the kids would say, cat. Yeah, hold on. Like that. Oh, I don't got the washer on this side, so we're gonna need it.
Grabbed it. Sarah's got one that's not for you.
Gross. It's not like Corona or anything. Coronavirus is real, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, I just this one over here.
Oh, you didn't have it? I thought you
No, what do you think I needed this for?
Pick it up.
Ow.
Bottom.
Got it. Yeah.
So just use the buttons in there. Did you got a radio?
No, they're right here.
Take a radio. Just keep it slow and I'll let you know. Get your phone.
Do you think that man don't got his phone?
Hey, it's not going over.
Wait, I need my radio. My radio's in here.
Fuck you on it. Yeah, go ahead and run over and open it up.
Open it up. All right, you're open. You what? Yeah, you're fine. I was waving you on earlier. I don't know if you could see me. Yeah, I was waving you on. Just go ahead. You're fine. I don't know what to tell you. There's traffic that's gonna come through here. You need to move. I don't know what to tell you. Call or something. I mean, I don't know what to tell you.
Okay, where can I go around, bro?
It's not, honestly, it's not gonna take that long, bro. Just get in line and they'll be here within like 3 to 5 minutes. That's what I'm trying to tell him. Your man's got cord or some bullshit, so you might want to get going.
I just lost my app. It doesn't even sound good.
It's the bacon one. Leave it up there so it cooks.
They're almost done, then we'll go down.
Okay. Homeboy didn't try to cut you off or nothing?
He did.
Did he really?
Like, so then at the end, he tried to go around me and almost did something. Now let's go drop that trailer he's got down there. Come get this one. I'm gonna go see what we're dealing with on the next site when you guys pick up signs.
Okay.
Halfway done at 9:30.
At 9:30. Dude, I wish I would have recorded when I seen homeboy like jump over here. I recorded till maybe a couple words in when
What was you saying? You gotta go to court?
he jumps out. He's like, I forgot what he said initially, but he's like, I gotta get to court. I got court. And I didn't know how to not be as smart about it, because I was gonna tell him like, you should have got up a little earlier, you know? And yeah, I'll do that part.
You want to?
Yeah. Well, I don't want to, but yeah, how you crap. Look, you got a wiener in here you didn't even eat.
I ate the wiener.
Oh.
Trust me, heck, I ate the wiener.
Okay. Here, I'll pick it up if you want to steer. Let me get it up though, and let me lift it up from right here. It's a lot easier.
It is a little easier lifting it from the ball.
Yeah. All right, ready?
Going over towards the wall and pull it back out.